tapos ng contract.
Hello!
Hey!
Hi!
Mabuhay!
Parang yun sa kay Maxi lang, 1, 2. Part 1, Part 2. Ba yan, sundan mo. Di ka
Part
na
3, Part 4.
Part 5, Part 6.
Ganon. Pero anyway, so we're here and of course, we're going to react to one of the most highly requested talaga na reactan namin. Kasi our channel, hindi talaga namin kayang bagsakan ng bagsakan kayo ng ano. So we're really trying.
Actually, Blake woke us up.
Oo, ginising ko talaga sila. Hindi naman dahil sa Army, dahil gutom na rin ako. Pero yun, this is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Uunahin namin to instead of Kumunoy. Why? Kasi we've reacted to Kumunoy. Well, we appreciate talaga, no, in fairness. Ang dami kagabi sa live na parang, huy, nasagot po yung tanong nyo sa Kumunoy, yung comments, parang ganon. So ngayon, parang sige, dito muna tayo. We'll find time for Kumunoy, pero ito kasi parang, ang dami talagang The Boy Who Cried Wolf, The Boy Who Cried. Meron pa may mga comments na yung wala daw. Well, in fairness, if you think of Pablo, mako-curious ka talaga sa mga kanta niya.
Yeah.
Kasi he really plays a masterclass when it comes to composing music. And of course, what better way to listen to his composition than his own songs talaga. So,
At saka meron tayong mga artist sa ibang bansa na hindi daw makatulog, kapapakinig. At nakatulog na nga, kapapakinig. Ewan ko sa mga OA ng mga ating to. Get alive! Charot lang.
pero yun, sige, go. Let's, wait, guys, caution. Ano lang ha, heads up lang. We're not the best lyrics interpretative dance. So, kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng interpretation sa kanta, kami po ay shallow reactors. We listen to what we immediately hear. And mostly, kumaga, we're kind of good when it comes to MVs. Pero when it comes to breaking down a song, we listen to what parang ganon. Basta hindi tayo magaling sa interpretative dance.
Hindi kasi first listen eh.
First listen
But
din.
if you give us siguro mga hanggang 10 listen, baka magkameron na kami ng podcast.
Which is hindi naman magandang reaction content yun. 10 listen bago nag-produce ng content.
Oo. Gahin na rin natin yung iba. Wow! I like it, wow! Kahit wala pang translation.
Shade.
Hindi, wala ko sinishade. Wala ko sinishade.
Shady boots.
Anong tawag mo doon?
Fact. Sorry. Medyo nabigla lang ako na atake agad. Okay? Kumbaga parang pasok.
Ano ba iniintay natin? Ano ba inaasahan natin kay Pablo? Atake agad yung unang.
Hindi kasi parang may instrumental muna, makapag-ano tayo. Everybody!
Sanay ka nga sa MB. Sanay ka nga sa MB.
Kasi di ba sa tayo, you, Onesie Entertainment. Ganon.
Everybody telling the wolf is bad.
You're so bad. You're such a bad boy.
Ain't nobody telling when the wolf is sad.
Ay!
And because of that, the wolf is going mad.
Oy!
Cause there's nobody willing to understand.
Sandali.
Sobrang ganda ng verse.
Sorry, hindi tayo masyado mag-i-interpret, pero
Sobrang
have
ganda
you
ng
ever
verse na
wondered
ito.
kung bakit bad yung wolf?
Mm-mm.
Ang lalim agad! Hindi, parang, di ba? Have you ever wondered kung ba't Ate Chona siya? Have you ever wondered?
Bakit si Pablo?
Siya sumulat nito eh. Have you ever wondered why the wolf is sad?
Yung wolf yung pinag-uusapan, hindi si Pablo. Hindi naman bad si Pablo.
Why the wolf is bad? Kasi
Ayun.
nga, the wolf is sad.
Maybe I should be more like the sheep instead. Maybe they will listen if inside up dead.
Oh my God. Wolf in a sheep's
Maybe all these
clothing.
babies just because I'm scared. Cause the truth is ugly and I'm not prepared.
Ang talino ng lyrics talaga.
to face myself and find that I'm the biggest lie of tried to hide. This is getting out of hand. Ang aking mga paa na may nanginginig, naman lang nagkangkang kumilala sa aking tinig. Halos mapatulan ng ako ng liit.
Oh my God, talaga.
Pilit ko bang isara ang mga matay, tumatagas pa rin aking damdamin, at sa may baybayin umaapaw na ang aking galit.
Oh
May
my
mga,
God,
ako
wait.
talaga ha, hindi ko naman sinasabi na marami. May mga ibang sikat nga na na artist na minsan yung mga verse nila parang yung kapos sa, hindi ko naman sinabing kailangan mag-rhyme or kailangan shucks, yung kay Pablo sobrang sakto talaga, may pagka-rhyme, tapos may intindihan mo agad yung verse niya kung para saan talaga. Hindi yung parang dadaling ka na dun sa ibang dimension pa. Ibang klase tong The Boy Who Cried Wolf na to.
Ibang klase rin yung pagkakakanta ni Pablo. I mean,
Rekta yung
I
Di ba, hindi mo kailangan ng interpretation dito, Bes? Parang
Totoo.
feeling ko, friendly sa atin tong ganitong sets of lyrics na hindi kailangan ng sobrang...
May ako magko-comment.
hindi, pero alam mo yung sinabi nga ni Blake na parang we're not good at interpreting songs. But surprisingly, The Boy Who Cried Wolf isn't difficult actually to decipher.
It's in your face.
It's straight in your face. You understand the reference. You understand the idiomatic expressions.
Mm-mm.
And you understand the artist. It doesn't necessarily the wolf is bad.
Hindi naman ganun.
And the wolf needs a wolfine. Charis!
Bago na pala ang female form ng wolf.
Kasi nga, magkakameron na ng Pantaserie and Channel 2. Ako si Wolfina.
Gaga, ikaw
Lobo pala yun.
Ikaw si Loba.
Nalala ko lang sa Drag Race.
Apaw na ang aking galit sa mundo. Pagsamo ko'y pakinggan niya. Patawarin mo naman ako, di ko naman inasahan to. Wala naman akong ibang gusto, alam mo yan, kahit walang ideya ang mundo. At sa kabila ng mga pangyayari, wala naman akong iba pang masasisi, kundi yung sarili, piniling isang tabi. Marahil nga itinagda na akong masuwi.
Bigat siya.
Sa mundo ang tupad sakripisyo.
Like that.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di lang ikaw ang talo. Di ba nga dalawa na tayo? Dalawa na tayo. Pag
Wait.
masuluin ng mundo.
He
Alam
is
mo-
talking to me. Specifically me.
Putang ina to. Pa-check up ka mamaya. Huwag ka sumama kay Ate Glenda. Hindi. Wait, hindi ko alam dahil hindi pa natin tinatapos. Pero when he said dalawa,
Tayo yun. The listener yun.
ayoko na mag-interpret. Putang ina.
Go lang.
Ayoko na mag-interpret.
Pero alam mo, Bes, siguro sa iba, akala nila ang parang yung verse na to is delikado to someone. To those people na may pinagdadaanan.
Vulnerable.
Oo. Pero ako guys kasi feeling ko sobrang validation to dun sa iba na feeling nila isolated case sila. Na parang feeling nila sila lang yung tanging nakaka-experience ng ganung kabigat. So, to hear it from a song na parang may mga tao din na marahil na kapareho ng sitwasyon mo. So parang sinabi niya talaga dito, wag mong solohin ang mundo. For me, it's an uplifting ano yun, rather than thinking it on a negative side.
May ako.
Okay.
Naiyak ako eh.
Hindi, that is just how I felt, no? POV of someone listening to this song. Kasi he's talking to you, directly to you eh. When you listen this at night, sa yung Spotify or YouTube Music, parang kinakausap ka niya eh. And at the same time, medyo nahihypnotize ka na parang, we're all in this together.
Alam mo na umuurong yung luha ko sa kanya. Tangina talaga. Alam niyo na kung bakit walang naiiyak sa amin sa MB, ha?
Dalawa na tayo, huwag mong suluin ang mundo. Lagi lang akong nandito, di ba nga? Dalawa na tayo, dalawa na tayo.
Best ang anticlimactic mo.
Sorry.
Sampaling kita.
Sorry.
Dalawa na tayo.
Ano ba screw tape dito?
Ano kayong bridge?
Tulay.
Ina pala yun. Pero, sobrang, sobrang comforting ng dulo.
Sige, ako na magsa-start. He broke a lot of things here. Kumaga, beyond the usual eye, were you wolf in sheep's clothing?
Yes.
There are several idiomatic expressions na na break neto.
Mm-mm.
The big bad wolf, and then madami. Kumaga, the sacrificial lamb. The bad wolf is always interpreted as the bad guy. But if not just Pablo, several people would only notice, why is he bad? Kumaga, I think it's similar to a lot of us na people have a interpretation of who you are before even understanding how you got to that part. Kumbaga, this is why it resonated with me kasi we're so used to people na they have a perception of you already. But did they even ask you, or siguro did not just ask you, did they even take the time to wonder why it's going on?
Yes.
This song spoke a lot to me kasi in a manner na people going to ask you why you're like that.
Mm-mm.
Kumbaga, basta yun, ang galing. Kasi kumaga in such another angle, meron kasi siyang parang binibreak si Pablo na parang gusto niya maintindihan.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, people are so quick to judge.
Yeah. Actually, Bes, alam mo, sobrang napapanahon to kasi dumating na tayo sa time na, di ba, yung mga produced movies ngayon na parang they're trying to humane the villain. Like, good example is si Maleficent.
Joker.
Yan, tama, sobra. Like, ako if sa Philippine adaptation, kung sino man yung mga greatest villain sa atin, pwedeng gamitin itong track nung magiging movie, kung sino man yung babaliin natin sa Philippine setting.
Totoo. At saka pati ang sa akin lang talaga is sometimes we always see the wolf talaga as the bad guy. Siya talaga yung sumira ng bahay ng Three Little Pigs. And how dare them? Charot. How dare the wolf? Pero sometimes, survival yun yung survival eh.
Mm-mm.
It's really your survival and you really have to study the character, study the person, kung bakit yun nagawa.
Yeah.
Kung bakit niya yun nagawa. But, ang gusto ko lang yung analogy, hindi, not really analogy, pero yung alluding na the boy who cried wolf.
Mm-mm.
Sometimes people are not really gifted to be a people person. May mga taong gano'n na parang,
Iba yung way of ano nila.
oo, pero it doesn't necessarily that they're bad, actually. May pinagdadaanan lang sila. And sometimes, kailangan you dig deep, you get to know the person well, you get to understand a person, point of view, saka mo lang maiintindihan yung lalim, yung bigat, na tao rin lang sila.
And yung redemption talaga sa dulo nung song na to. Na yun nga. Very comforting siya to someone who's going through something na feeling nila isolated case sila.
Hindi, at saka ang gusto ko dito is, if you listen this, using your earphone before going to sleep, or in the bus, you can actually hear Pablo talking to you.
Yeah.
Yun talaga yung gusto ko and the quality of the voice, one of a kind, one of a generation yung boses ni Pablo.
In fairness sa boses niya, sobrang daming layers to it. Plus, yung kanta niya is sobrang daming layers din. Kumbaga, we understand that this is a mixture of several cliches that he broke.
Mm-mm.
Several idiomatic expressions na, bakit nga ba? Parang ganon. He questioned it in a manner na hindi niya tinotolerate, but in a manner that he's trying to understand.
Yes.
Kasi, yun nga, as I mentioned a while ago, people are so quick to judge and people are so quick to have a perception of something without really trying to decipher first, bakit ganun? Bakit ganun yung nangyari? Baka naman mas matanggap natin kung yung naging attitude ng isang tao or why is a person like this or like that. Kasi, tingnan mo yung backstory niya.
Mm-mm.
Kumbaga, baka naman mamaya, the big bad wolf. Kumbaga, yun yung sa akin. Kumbaga, I like how he questioned it without really tolerating it.
Yeah.
He was trying to understand. And he then spoke dun sa dulo na, kaya nga nagtaka ako kanina, pa-pause tayo, di ba? Parang, dalawa na tayo, wait. Parang napa-question ako, wait, hindi na pala ako mag-isa.
Yes.
Kasi, and
Kasi wala na yung ubos na yung mali. Ubos na yung mali.
nag-RV nga tayo na dalawa lang tayo minsan. Paano kaya, send na lang natin sa kanya, pa-upload naman itong RV. Sis, kasi paiyak na ako eh. Putang ina.
Ako rin medyo naluluha din ako.
Tapos nawala na yung ideya ko ngayon.
Hindi, medyo nakukuha ko yung punto de vista
Pero
mo.
guys ha, so far from Mad Summer TV history, ito lang yung, for me masasabi ko, ito lang yung tanging lyric video na we're so into it. Kasi talagang we're really visual.
Uy, mapa din. In fairness sa mapa.
Ay, never naman nagkaroon ng music video yun.
Pero yun nga, sa likong lyric video ang
Sa bagay,
usapan.
sa bagay. Iba din yung...
After a
ano
long
namin.
time.
After a long time.
Actually, happy na ako kung walang MV to.
Actually.
Kumbaga, there are really songs na baka naman mamaya mag-over kapag nagkaroon ng music video. The song itself is already spectacular in itself.
Pero ako hindi ko pa napapakinggan yung the rest of the album ni Pablo about, pero Pablo, paki-promote ng The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Ay, ng sobrang promotion.
Hindi, siguro kasi while listening to yourself, the lyrics made you put yourself in the position of the bad wolf na parang ikaw yung nasa mata ng judgment ng tao, ng perception
Tama.
sa'yo. And then bigla kanyang kinausap na, huy, dalawa na tayo.
Na parang may tap sa shoulder mo na parang, wait lang,
Mm-mm.
you're not alone.
Oo,
Diba?
parang ganun. Kumbaga, kaya ako parang medyo, if we're speaking the truth here, ang bigat nung kanta nung start.
Yeah.
Kasi, he was really putting in na parang baka naman talaga ikaw na yung sacrificial lamb, na parang baka it's best talaga na mawala ka na lang. And then, kakausapin ka niya ng gano'n na parang, oh, it's not yet the end. Parang ganun. And we have people like that na people who really take time to understand during your bad days na baka kailangan mo lang ng help. Baka nalulunod ka sa sarili mong tubig. Tapos,
Yes.
bigla kang kakausapin na, kasi they are the people, several lang yan, hindi
Yeah.
lahat. Kumbaga, even yung friends mo, a lot of them would be so quick to judge, di ganito ang gawin mo, di ganito ang gawin mo, but it's not always that easy. Kumbaga, it may seem basic to a lot of people, but for a lot of people, it goes deep inside, and that's what he did with this song.
Sobra talaga.
Alam mo, sometimes you need to be the bad guy. You need to be the bad person. Sa ano, para walang gulo. Sometimes people is the sacrificial lamb. Okay.
Mm.
Di ba minsan pag may argument, sige ako nang masama para matapos na tong kaguluhan to. And sometimes those people are the bravest
May
one.
balance sa mundo.
But always remember na nagsasuffer din tong mga taong to. They may be brave outside. They may be bad sa paningin nyo. Pero they are really suffering too.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? If you dig deeper. Now, dun sa prospect ng Pablo singing songs like this, making it to the mainstream at mas maraming makakakinig, mas maraming magko-consume, mas maraming magsistream, nakikita ko dito yung parang hindi ko maintindihan dati yung the rise of Billie Eilish. Di ba yung sa bad guy ni Billie Eilish
Yeah.
na parang how did this little girl, singer-songwriter, was able to penetrate Billboard Hot 100, talagang denominate niya yung Grammys, denominate niya lahat. It's because it's the silent, low-key meaning of her songs together with his brother that really resonated with the listeners.
And I think it's also na they are the answers to this generation's
Tama. So, I hope that the younger generations, even the older generations na mga tita at ate natin abroad na talagang umiiyak-iyak pa raw ang ate mo Vanessa pagtulog. Charot. Is that ma-reach ni Pablo yung masa sa mga ganitong klaseng awitin.
Pero in fairness, kay Ate Vanessa, kasi Ate Vanessa's been through a lot din recently talaga.
Yes.
So, we won't name details, pero, kumbaga, I think, ang daming cargo din siguro na Ate Vanessa, which is why naiyak siya. Kasi, kumbaga, tayo kasi, guilty ako doon na, asa sa Ate Vane? Hindi ko na nakita sa Ate Vane. Pero, parang, bigla na lang niyang kwinento. Sorry, Ate Vanessa, kung hindi namin natanong bakit ka wala. Parang ganun. So,
Diyan sa kapatid natulog nga siya habang nakikinig dito. So, you sleep with this song? Charot.
sira na po yun. Anyway,
Anyway,
galing.
Sobrang
ang kanta
galing.
to. Hindi lang ako makapag-express ng happiness kasi kasi nung kanta kumbaga, pero kanyang pinut into the spotlight, tapos daramdaman mo yung na gano'n. Actually, paiyak na talaga ako. Tangina lang neto ni Matthew.
Hindi, pero that's my way din na medyo naging emotional ako kaya ako gumanon. Kasi ayoko naman makita yung crying face ko. Look at this crying face. Gumanon na lang ako.
Pero alam mo guys, parang hindi talaga, parang sobrang secured yung future ni Pablo sa music industry. If he can produce songs like this, parang imaginein mo, as time goes by, magmamature pa uli si Pablo. Parang, ang dami niya pang marirelease na songs na mapapaano ka na lang.
Yeah, so kapatid, my hope is that Pablo will be able to create songs din in the future na this deep, ganito kalalim, pero maiaano niya into mainstream. Sasabihin yung iba, hindi, Pablo is just creating this to express. No! The world needs marinig yung ganito in any form.
Yes.
Kung kailangan medyo maging upbeat pero sad yung meaning, do it. Kasi, ang sa akin, yung mensahe ang mahalaga. There are songs na you sing, you don't even know the meaning. There are songs that you cry to, but you don't even decipher kung ano ba talagang ibig sabihin. Eto alam mo na eh. Gawin niya tong ballad, acoustic, hip-hop, punk, rock.
Parang Billie Eilish talaga, like yung Birds of Feather talaga, mabigat na kanta rin yun. Pero for ano for yung audiences ang sinasabi nila ha, yung song daw na yun healed us this
So,
2024.
Suggestion na lang natin yan. I think Pablo has a long way to go pa talaga. Marami pa siyang um, pagkakataon to showcase his talent. Pero alam mo yung, like for example, Chromatica is a very depressing songs, pero upbeat.
Mm-mm.
I'm not having fun
Baka
tonight.
in time.
In
Kasi,
time. Kasi sobrang
this
galing.
is how he, parang, most of it, di ba, kumaga,
Yeah.
like, si Wala daw and si Kumunoy, kumaga, if titignan mo, these are songs from his past na kumaga nilalabas niya out into the open ngayon. Kumaga, we're probably yet to see. Yun yung probably yung gusto ninyong makita na mag-transform into different kinds of different genres of music, yung still bearing the same message pero in different genres. So I think in time, baka kasi naman eto, we took it from his past, majority of it or some of it if not the majority. Whew! Pero yun, congratulations. This is such a really spectacular song and napakatalino ng pagkakagawa. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in. You can continue to support us by checking out the description box below and please hit the like and subscribe button and you can also hit the bell button for more
Para
videos.
ma-notify naman kayo pag may bago kaming upload. At saka, nagtataka pa kayo kung bakit hindi kayo nanonotify kung may live streaming kami. So, click that bell button.
Yes. Thank you very much. I'm your Sugar Spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
And this is Harry.
And this is Matt. Congrats, Pablo, and happy birthday, Pablo.
Happy
Birthday
birthday to you.